Good morning, John. Good morning, Sarah. Good morning, listeners. I'm not going to.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff's collection. This is an old radio. Let's see, in his notes he says it's probably like 1946 vintage, kind of the same vintage I am. It's a Sentinel tube radio, 5-tube radio. He said it's painted yellow. This is, yeah, you can feel the surface is not super like it was a Bakelite finish, so it's been painted. He also said that the person that owned it before made this dial because the other one had fainted. So he did a photocopying of a picture of the dial for this radio and somehow got it onto the glass, and it's like brand new. The whole radio is like brand new. He got this from the Radio Attic seller that he buys radios from. He got it for $60. Works very good. Medium wave only, of course. AC only. It's not going to pick up much in my office. This is a really bad environment for medium wave. So I'm not even going to attempt to tune the dial, except maybe just to quickly show you how smooth it tunes. But reception in here, medium wave, is terrible. And of course, it's just got a little piece of wire for an antenna in the back. So I'll turn it up and tune a little bit.
Absolutely.
This is on-off volume, this is tone, and this is tuning. I'll show you the tone.
Also, the hotel directed average because if abortion continues along the lines that it's going, not here was.
Okay, we'll see if we can tune another station. It's not going to be very good. There's one.
Yes, between John 1 and 1.
Preacher Man.
And Genesis 1 and 1.
That's coming in good.
The new.
And you also have to give these tube radios time to warm up. Spanish. I mean, this is old school, 1946. He's got a radio now that's as old as me. Okay, we're not finding much. It does tune really smooth. And I bet you if you got it out of this noise environment and get a antenna clipped on it, would probably do pretty good. Okay, we're going to zoom along here.
System rejuvenation on the whole entire AC unit, which is, as I mentioned, cleaning of the drain lines, cleaning of the coils, cleaning of the coils.
Now, normally on the back of radios like this, they will have a multiple coil antenna that's mounted on the back plate, and it's, in this case, it would be about this wide, bunch of hundreds of coils. And since these wires are hanging out the back that look like the wires that would be attached to this, I'm guessing that coiled antenna is not in the back of the radio. So that's another reason it's struggling. Okay, we'll tune a little bit more and then we'll wrap it up. You can hear all that noise probably from my router or my switch or computers or mice. And I have rotated, but since I don't think it has an antenna except those wires, that didn't make any difference. I'm not going to take the back off to see if that's on there. Should be one more down here. No. 580 maybe. Nope, that's it. The dial doesn't go all the way to the end. The dial could be off. I think that's about it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. He's got some fantastic radios. And I want each and every one of you to have a happy holiday. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.